Here's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Parktronic with active parking assist, memory exterior door mirror settings, premium front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, AMG engine, dual zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.